Brooke here, and today we're going to be drawing a flamingo. This flamingo is going to be super easy, super fun, and it's going to turn out really cute. Are you ready to get started? I am. Let's do it. All right, to get started with our flamingo, we're going to come up to the middle of our page, and I actually want to drop down just about an inch, and then I'm going to do a very wide U. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Back here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming across it. And then on this side, I want to keep this curve going, mine's a little bit sharp, and bring it back like that. I still have a lot of space up here, which is going to come in handy because now I want to do a U-turn. Just hooking it back around. Coming back over here, I want to make this come in and up. And then I want to bring it up and over. And it comes down, but it's still got a lot of space right there. Don't want to get it too close. From here, this is where it's going to get close. We're going to do a U-turn with this as well. And now it's getting close because this is the neck of our flamingo. So I want this line to keep going and it's just going to follow along until we get up here. There we go. From here, I'm going to bring this out and around like a circle that connects. From the bottom part of the circle, right here, I'm going to come out and down. And coming up towards the top part, not quite at the top or anything, but just right up here, I'm going to come out and down, and I'm going to make a little U-turn here that connects it. Just a little ways up, I'm going to do a little curved line coming up and over. In the middle of this circle, I'm going to come a little higher than halfway, and I'm going to draw a curved line. Because our flamingo's just taking a nap, no big deal. Back down here, I'm going to bring a curved line coming down, not quite touching. And then I'm going to bring it back up and in. Same thing coming down. A shorter line coming up and in. Coming down. Up and in. Let's do it again. And you see how these all curve coming back a little bit. Up and in. One more. Up and connect. Now underneath, we need to draw some legs. So I'm going to have a nice straight line coming down. And another follow along line right next to it. Now flamingos sometimes like to stand in water, so I'm just going to draw a nice curved line waving across the bottom like water. My other leg over here, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming back and another diagonal follow along that's a little bit longer. Now coming back, not straight across, it's still a little bit down, but not too much. And then a follow along line. And I'm going to jump over because this one's passing behind. So I'm going to pretend that line kept going straight through and pretend that line kept coming straight through. Top one once again, a little longer. I'm going to do a curved line coming back. And this one's going to come down. And then I'm going to just draw a V right in the middle. And that's going to be his legs. In the middle of this leg, I am going to draw a little U, just to kind of break it up a little bit. I do want to come back up and smooth some of these lines out. Not something you have to do, but I do feel like some of my lines are a little rough. So I want to fix those and make them a little bit smoother. Not everybody wants to go back and do that, but I like to. Maybe your lines are really straight. All right. Now here we have our awesome flamingo that is ready to be colored. So go ahead and grab your markers. And let's get started. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There it is. Didn't he turn out so cute? I bet yours turned out absolutely amazing. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I can't wait to do more projects, but that means you're gonna have to follow, you're gonna have to subscribe, and you're gonna definitely have to come back for more How to Draw. Bye.